Welcome to my honest review of HotForex, where I'll give you a full breakdown of the broker's strengths, weaknesses, and key features. HotForex has grown into a well-known Forex and CFD broker, offering a wide variety of account types and assets for trading, from Forex pairs to commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. So, whether you're just starting or already experienced, HotForex is something for everyone. One of the best features of HotForex is its MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, which are equipped with plenty of technical analysis tools to help you make informed trading decisions. Moreover, HotForex offers competitive spreads and commission-free accounts, making it an attractive option for traders who want to keep their cost low. However, like any platform, there are a few things to keep in mind. HotForex's fees can vary depending on your account type. And while the broker does offer a wide variety of markets, some users might find the educational resources lacking compared to other brokers. That said, HotForex compensates for this with top-notch customer support, available 24/5 in multiple languages. This makes the platform accessible to users from all over the world, with multiple methods for deposits and withdrawals, including credit cards, e-wallets, and bank transfers. Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXPT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXPT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. Another key advantage of HotForex is its negative balance protection, meaning you won't lose more than your initial deposit. This feature is crucial, especially for beginners who are still learning the ropes of Forex trading. HotForex also offers a demo account, which is a great way for new traders to practice their strategies without risking real money. If you're looking to get into copy trading, HotForex provides an excellent platform for that too. With HotForex's copy trading feature, you can follow the trades of experienced traders, which is ideal if you want to earn passively while you learn. It's a great way to replicate the success of professional traders without spending hours glued to the charts. Plus, you can always adjust your strategy based on the performance of the trader you're copying. In terms of security, HotForex is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. This gives you peace of mind knowing your funds are in a secure environment. Additionally, the broker offers insurance for client funds, providing extra protection against unforeseen circumstances. That said, it's crucial to consider the overall trading experience on HotForex. The platform offers multiple account types to suit different trading needs, from the micro account for beginners to the zero spread account for more advanced traders. You'll also have access to leverage options, though this can vary depending on your region. Be sure to check which leverage limits apply to you to ensure you're trading within your risk tolerance. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, HotForex might be a great option. But don't forget, you could also explore other platforms like PrimeXPT to diversify your strategies and enhance your trading results. With HotForex, you'll benefit from advanced platforms, solid customer support, and a range of markets to trade. But make sure you understand the fees and services before diving in. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below.